How to use Photoleap on Android. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Once you are on the home screen, tap on Edit Photo from the top toolbar. Now, choose an image from your gallery or tap the camera icon to capture a new one. After the photo loads, you will see various tools at the bottom like crop, adjust, AI filters, AI expand, cutout, background, and more. To make simple adjustment, tap on adjust. From here, you can control brightness, contrast, saturation, hue, and more. Just slide the bars to fine-tune the look of your image. If you want to resize your photo, tap on crop and choose the preset aspect ratio or manually drag the borders. To remove unwanted parts of the image, use the cutout tool. You can brush over the subject you want to keep or use the auto option to instantly remove the background. For creative edits, try the AI filters and AI background option. This can instantly change the look and feel of your photo with a single tap. You can also use AI expand to intelligently stretch or extend parts of your image, giving it more space or a dramatic look. Once you are done editing, tap the check mark to apply the changes and then tap the save icon at the top right to export your image. And that's it. Now you know how to use Photoleap on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.